What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the Lexus and we're going to be installing retrofitted headlights, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you see, we have progressed a lot on the Lexus in the background. We're preparing for the show this Saturday. My boy, he's actually polishing that car right now. Wheels are on, water kit is on, puddle lights are on. We're installing tail lights, that's another video. But right now we're gonna be working on these headlights. These are stock headlights. Yes, they look great, but I ended up getting another set and retrofitting them. I had my guy at Wild Customs here in Miami do the retrofit. So these are Panamera, Porsche Panamera shrouds. So those are actually DRLs, the 4 little dots. And the insides, the glass is a hex design. That's pretty cool. And then that's the high beam. The high beam is a regular shroud with also the hex. I'm gonna show you more or less how to take it off and put it back in. So to start off is those 2 screws. To get in the other screw, actually is right here. I already took the slide off. There's a little cover. It's this cover here. And it pops out with little 3 clips. When it pops out, you'll have the other bolt exposed. You take out those bolts. They're 10 millimeters. And, let me sit down. So while we're here, you have to try to make it go to the center of the car. And it'll release a pin. Let me see if you see the pin. There's the pin. You can really see it. I don't know if you can focus. Well, when that pin is released, the headlight's able to move around. Oh, it got really blurry. The trick I found out to do that one was, so the headlight, you have to start squirming around. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. But if you see it here, there's the little clip is holding on. Actually, it's the one that's right here. You have to try to wiggle it and let this side go up, and then the whole headlight just zooms out. I don't have a tripod with me, so I'm gonna put you guys down for a second, and then I'll take it out and show you what I mean. All right, since I figured it out, it was a lot easier. So I meant about this little clip here. It's under here, so you have to try to wiggle it out in a way that it just goes over and doesn't scratch the bumper. You don't have to remove the bumper, you don't have to drop the bumper. And then now this is out. See, that's the clip I was telling you about. Yep, it's out. Now I'm just gonna unplug all the wiring and get the other headlight to install it. All right, so here's the wiring. This is the headlight leveling motor. I am gonna, so these are for the DRLs, the actual dots of the projectors. I'm not gonna put this on right now just because of time. But these, I upgraded also the LEDs, headlights. So just plug everything back in as they go. And the only difference will be the plug for the low beams will go directly to the plug. It's gonna go to this plug and just connect it there, and it should work with the headlights. That is the parking. So in this car, the parking got eliminated because it's a Celsior. So yeah, you just run it like that. About the wire, don't put it completely in until you double check that it works. You don't want to put it in and not work and have to take it out again. So headlight is on, headlight is on. So that was the issue when I first did this one. I didn't know how to plug it in. It works now, so that is good. And basically now you line it up. Oh yeah, you line it up and then let it go over this and it should be good. Here's the final result. Guys, that's it for today's video. Check us out on the video for next week. We're gonna be installing tail lights on the Lexus. Yeah, this car's moving pretty fast, and we're doing a lot of stuff in the background just because of time. But once again, guys, thank you for all the support. Until next one.